Hey, down! Get your ass down! Oh. Damn it! Dogs!
Get back!
On the 13th of November 2018, a specialized unit from Detroit Police Gang Intelligence was mandated to execute a narcotics search warrant at a barricaded location on Westphalia Avenue. Here is how the situation unfolded.
Kick that.
Detroit Police, search warrant!
Oh, big dog.
One more. Big dog. Detroit Police. You better get that.
Hey, get that dog! Get that dog!
Oh, it's four of them. It's four of them.
Hold.
4 dogs?
Well, what are we doing then?
Get the dog.
Get the dogs!
Get it. One more. And. Can't dig it in.
Are they up?
Where's the dog?
Hit it one more.
Are they all up?
If they're not up, they will die.
Are they all up?
Tell her she wanna grab the motherfuckers because we got the shotgun. Dog, you better put them up. Come here, second entry. Open this up. Are they gone?
You put the dogs up?
Yes.
All right, come on.
Open it up.
All right, man. Hey, down! Get your ass down! Them dogs is up. Where they at?
They in the room.
Which room?
In my room. All the way in the back.
Oh. Damn it! Dogs!
Get back!
Dogs! That's one! Hold it. Hey, go get... Dog! It's back. Go! Back!
Down. I got him. You good? Hold. Let me go. Hold. Creep, I got it.
All right.
You got one in here in the cage. We got one trying to get out the window in here. Hold, Creep. He's out the back window, dog out the back window.
Back window!
We got 2 puppies. 2 down, I don't see any more. Dog went out the back. We got one more in here under the bed.
Hey, have him take care of this last dog.
Hey man, come get this dog.
What about him?
Come, tell my man to come and get the dog.
Have my man get this last dog. Watch out.
Watch
Keep an eye on it.
Watch out, he's gonna come back for you.
Son of a bitch.
We need to bring somebody back.
Got puppies coming. Got puppies coming.
All right, puppy. Ah, poor baby. You okay, baby?
Some
Puppy!
Puppy!
We need one of the owners to come get this other dog that's back here.
Hey, where's he at? He in the back room under the bed.
No.
Oh, the owner? Tell one of them dogs they got? 4?
That's what they said.
We got 3, one hiding under the bed.
All right.
I'm gonna get out there. Be good.
I don't know which one it is. Oh.
You good? You got a basement? Go clear that basement, please. I got this.
All right.
Put it in the bathroom.
Go clear that basement. I got this.
All right, let's take the basement. Yeah. No, I couldn't.
Watch out. Watch out now.
Huh? Basement's good.
What's going on?
Hey, come on!
Well, secure that fucking room then.
Yeah, don't put a door up, it's gonna fall!
Hey, secure the room then, Creed. Go.
Guy?
Room is secure for bodies, bro. No, I'm saying for the dog, just secure it. The dog, he's not going nowhere. Pull that dresser in front of the door.
It's a board right here.
Get him out and pull that dresser in front of the door. You got one coming out.
All right, just
One coming out. Come on, walk towards me. We still got one more room to clear.
Hey, Spider.
Out.
No.
One coming out. No cost.
That ain't gonna work. That shit ain't gonna do shit. It's not gonna look good.
Yeah.
It's a homicide scene.
Oof.
That dog ain't coming out from under that bed.
Take the door and slide it under, behind whatever that entertainment system thing is. Would it fit behind it?
Got to fucking hop right over that thing.
Okay.
The operation led to the arrest of one individual, who was a minor at the time, on charges of possessing cocaine with intent to distribute. In December 2018, Detroit resident Kay Horn filed a lawsuit claiming that a police officer violated her civil rights by shooting her dogs without justification during the raid. She argued that this constituted an unreasonable seizure under the Fourth Amendment. The city of Detroit later agreed to pay $75,000 to settle the civil rights case, after the Detroit Police Department determined that the shooting of the dogs was unjustified and went against department policy. Incident on Record documents real-world police encounters using publicly released records. To see more documented cases and help uncover public records, visit Incident on Record weekly.